Hello, this is a video tour of 171 Shipley. Today we're going to be touring unit number 6. This is a wonderful 2-bedroom in Soma, and this condo has it all. Okay, so 171, the entrance is to the left. You have private parking. In the garage, you also have laundry machines. Large laundry machines that are private to this unit. Okay, directly from the garage, you can enter this unit up the stairs. You walk into this nice living room area, and just a couple of steps up, you have your kitchen. Sliding glass doors take you to a private patio. This unit does get lots of light. It is a very quiet building and unit. Nice modern kitchen, microwave, range, refrigerator, stainless sink and dishwasher, and a nice view out the window. Okay, down here at the bottom of the stairs, you have a nice closet here. And the 2 bedrooms are located on the upper level. Right over here, you have another closet. First bedroom here, lots of natural light. The bedrooms are carpeted. It is a very, very clean and lovely unit. Both bedrooms have generous sized closets, so you have sliding mirrored doors, and this goes all the way back on both sides. Okay, dividing the 2 bedrooms is the full bathroom. Nice big sink. You have your toilet, bathtub, and shower combination. Here is the second bedroom. They're pretty equal in size. Over here is a little closet here that is elevated, and it's somewhat open to the main closet for all your clothing and shoes. And you have a nice view out the window here. And there you go. Okay, if you are interested in this wonderful condo, please go to rentalsnsf.com for availability, pricing, and specific details. Thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.